Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best large cat scratcher is probably one of the most essential investments for any owner of a substantial feline, providing not just an outlet for natural scratching instincts but also protecting your furniture from destructive claws, ensuring your big kitty stays happy, healthy, and well exercised while maintaining their paw health and territorial marking needs in a way that smaller scratchers simply can't accommodate. Number 5. SmartyKat Sisal Angle Ramp Cat Scratcher. Give your feline friend the ultimate scratching experience. It features a natural woven sisal surface they'll adore, providing the perfect outlet for their instincts and stretching needs. Say goodbye to damaged furniture. This scratcher offers a suitable alternative, effectively redirecting their scratching habits away from your beloved pieces. It's more than just a scratcher. Its tough sisal promotes healthy nail growth, tones muscles, and alleviates stress. This design satisfies their natural need to scratch, stretch, and mark their territory. Each one comes with a bag of 100% organic catnip. Simply sprinkle it on the surface to entice your cat and encourage a blissful, long-lasting scratch session. We know cats, and we design with their instincts and your peace of mind in mind. Every SmartyKat product is tested for safety and crafted to spark joy and satisfy curiosity. What we like? This ramp scratcher offers a natural sisal surface for ultimate scratching satisfaction. Its stable wooden structure ensures durability for even the most enthusiastic scratchers. If you are looking for a durable, engaging scratcher that also comes with an enticing organic catnip boost, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Feandrea Cat Tree UPCT 192W01. This cat tower boasts 2 luxurious top perches and 2 spacious cat caves. These provide multiple comfy spots for your feline friends to unwind and observe from, perfect for multi-cat households. Designed with multiple levels, it makes it easy for your cats to climb and explore. This satisfies their natural instincts and activity needs, giving them a stimulating environment. Setting it up is a breeze thanks to its universal screws and simple structure. You only need the included Allen hex key and one person to have it ready in no time. 2 hanging pom-poms with bells encourage your little hunters to stretch, bat, and swat. They provide endless entertainment and keep your cats active and engaged. Supported by a strong structure and secured with an anti-tip kit, it is robust and safe. Up to 5 cats, each weighing a maximum of 11 pounds, can climb and play with complete peace of mind. Don't worry about fur, dirt, or crumbs. A simple lint roller or vacuum cleaner can easily wipe them away, keeping it fresh and clean for your pets. What we like? This tall cat tower is a multi-level playground designed for exploration and relaxation. It features multiple perches, caves, and a hammock, providing diverse spots for your feline friends. If you have a multi-cat household or cats who love to climb and observe from high places, this extensive cat tree is perfect. What people say. Number 3. Kitty City 32-inch tall sisal cat scratching post. Give your indoor cat the perfect place to stretch and scratch. This durable post is designed to keep them happy and your furniture safe. Its impressive 32-inch height allows them to fully extend, promoting natural scratching behavior. This helps maintain their claw health and overall well-being. Built with a wide, stable base, it won't tip over during vigorous play. It's wrapped in natural sisal, a material they instinctively love, protecting your home. The high-quality sisal and solid construction ensure it stands up to repeated use. It's perfect for both energetic kittens and adult cats who love to scratch. Assembly is a breeze, requiring just 3 screws to securely attach it to the base. You'll have it ready for them in minutes, without any complicated tools. A hanging jingle ball at the top adds an element of interactive play. This encourages mental stimulation and engagement, making it more than just a scratcher. What we like? This extra-tall scratching post allows cats to fully stretch, promoting healthy scratching habits. Its durable natural sisal and sturdy base ensure it can withstand aggressive scratchers. If you have a large cat or one that loves to stretch out completely while scratching, this robust post is an ideal solution. What people say. No reviews found in the source content to extract points from. The provided source JSON was empty, so no specific product features could be quoted. Number 2. Hide and Scratch Cardboard Cat Scratcher Box and Bed. This innovative cat scratching board and box is designed to be irresistible to almost all cats. Its perfect size ensures it's not too big and not too small, making it an ideal spot for your feline friend. With its generous 7.5-inch sides, it provides ample coverage for hiding and keeps scraps neatly contained. The unique scalloped edges are also ideal for face rubs and head resting, adding extra comfort. Whether your cat loves to scratch, lounge, or do both, this product delivers essential feline enrichment. It combines comfort with a durable scratch pad surface, all while acting as a protector for your furniture and couch. Crafted with plant-based glue and soy-based ink, it's completely safe for chewing and lounging. Made from extra thick, heavy-duty corrugated cardboard, it ensures long-lasting enjoyment for indoor cats and kittens. Assembly is a breeze with no tape required, making it ready for use in no time. Don't be fooled by imitations. This is the original heavyweight cat scratcher box, trusted by cat lovers for daily use. It's a Mom's Choice Awards Gold recipient, recognized for being best for pets. This US-based small business, run by a cat lover, also donates product and a portion of proceeds to feline nonprofits. What we like. This unique product serves as both a scratcher and a cozy bed, offering versatile feline enrichment. Its double-sided corrugated pad provides extended use, and the box design offers a secure hiding spot. If your cat enjoys both scratching and napping in a contained, private space, this multi-purpose box is an excellent option. What people say. Number 1. PEEKAB 25-inch cat scratching post with interactive toys. Introducing the PEEKAB cat scratching post. It's designed to keep your feline friend entertained and their claws healthy. This post helps protect your carpets and furniture from damage. Your cat will love the interactive tracking toys at the bottom and the 2 playful birds on the branches. These features provide endless fun, keeping them engaged and away from your precious belongings. Crafted from natural and eco-friendly materials, this scratching post is completely harmless to your pet. It features recyclable thickened paper tubes wrapped in natural sisal and a strong P2 MDF wood base. Safety is paramount with its sturdy square base, preventing any tilting or rocking. The 1.2-inch thickened base ensures greater reliability and stability for even the most enthusiastic scratchers. Assembly is quick and simple, with all screws and wrenches included. Its neutral beige color and compact 25-inch design blends seamlessly with your home's existing decor. This post is perfect for small and medium-sized indoor cats and kittens. It even offers 2 different assembly methods for varied play experiences. What we like. This scratching post combines a natural sisal surface with engaging interactive tracking toys. Its sturdy square base ensures stability, preventing any wobbling during play. If you are looking for a compact scratcher that also provides mental stimulation and keeps your cat entertained, this post with built-in toys is a great choice. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON. No reviews provided in the source JSON. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.